Welcome to the video class of Foundation course. Today I am going to discuss a new chapter, that is trigonometry. Before studying trigonometry, I would like to inform you who is the father of trigonometry, what is the meaning of trigonometry, what are the application of the trigonometry, and some basic terms used in trigonometry. Now let us start trigonometry. Father of trigonometry. First, father of trigonometry. Greek astronomer. Hipparchus is the father of trigonometry. In India, Aryabhatta was the first person. Aryabhatta is the first person who introduced the concept of trigonometry. Actually, Greek astronomer Hipparchus is the father of trigonometry, but in India, Aryabhatta is the first person who introduced the concept of trigonometry. Now, what do you mean by trigonometry? Trigonometry is the combination of two Greek words. Trigon means triangle, and metron means measurement. That is meaning of trigonometry. It is the combination of two words, Greek words. It is the combination of two Greek words. These are trigon means triangle and metron means measurements. From these two meaning, the trigonometric is defined as it is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of triangle and its measurements. Thus, trigonometry is defined as the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of triangle and its measurements. That is definition of trigonometry. Trigonometric is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of triangle and measurements and its measurement. What are the applications of trigonometry? Some applications. Trigonometric trigonometric is used, number one, to find the height of mountains. Second, to find the distance of ship from seashore. Third, to find the distance between two stars in the sky. Many more applications are there, but we mentioned here only three. Some basic terms used in trigonometry. Number one, what do you mean by angle? Suppose here a ray, this is a ray, this is a ray, this is straight line, and this is line segment. Ray directed one direction, straight line directed both direction. Line segment have two fixed points. Line segment means it has two fixed points. No direction to extend it. Cannot be extended any direction. Now, what do you mean by angle? Angle. Suppose this is a ray. Suppose this is initial position. If it rotates and come this position, this is rotation. The ray, initial ray is rotated and came this position. Suppose this is final or terminal position. Terminal position means final position. Initial position means starting position. Suppose a ray is rotated and came to this position. The shape formed between two positions is called an angle. What do you mean by angle? If a ray is rotated from initial position to terminal position. Terminal means final. Terminal position, the shape formed between two positions is called an angle. What do you mean by angle? If this is initial position of a ray and it is rotated and came to final position. The space formed here, the shape formed here is called an angle. What do you mean by measurement of an angle? What do you mean by measurement of an angle? Measurement of an angle. Number 2 concept, measurement of an angle. Measurement of angle. Measurement of an angle. Measurement of angle means, suppose this is initial position and this is rotated, came to the new position, that is terminal position. The amount of rotation is called the measurement of angle or amount of the angle. What is the measurement of angle? The amount of rotation of a ray from initial position to final position is called the measurement of angles. What is now? Measurement of angles. The amount of rotation of a ray from initial position to terminal position means final position. Terminal position from initial position to terminal position is called the measurement of angle. Now, basically, angles are of two types according to the direction of the measurement. First one is positive angle and second one is negative angle. What do you mean by positive angle? If the angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction, then it is called positive angle. Similar negative angle. If the angle is measured in clockwise direction, then it is called negative angle. Now, types of angle according to the direction of the measurement. Types of angle according to the direction of measurement. The direction of measurement. Like this, for example, this is a ray and this is another ray by terminal ray. If this angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction, that is in that direction, anti-clockwise direction. If the angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction, then this angle is named as positive angle. Number one, positive angle. Positive angle. If the angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction, then it is called positive angle. Positive angle. The angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction. In this direction, the amount of rotation is called positive angle. And what is number 2, second type? What is negative angle? Negative angle. Number 2, negative angle. Negative angle. What do you mean by negative angle? This is an angle. This is an angle. If we measure in that direction, that is clockwise direction. If the angle is measured in clockwise direction, then it is called negative angle. If this direction here in this direction, this is angle, direction is clockwise direction. If the angle is measured in clockwise direction, then it is called negative angle. Negative angle, that is here minus theta. Types of angle according to its amounts. Types of angle according to the amounts. Types of angle according to the amounts. Number 1, acute angle. Acute angle, suppose theta. Acute angle means 0 less than theta less than 90 degree. 0 degree less than theta degree less than 90. If theta lies between 0 to 90, then it is called acute angle. Number 2, right angle, suppose theta. If theta is equal to 90 degree, if theta is 90 degree, then it is called right angle. Number 3, obtuse angle. Suppose angle is theta, obtuse angle, theta lies between 90 degree less than theta less than 180 degree. If theta lies between 90 to 180 degree, then it is called obtuse angle. Number 4, right angle, straight angle, that is, suppose angle is theta. In this case, theta is equal to 180 degree. Then 5, reflex angle. Suppose theta, angle is theta 180 less than theta less than 360. This is reflex angle. Acute angle, theta lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. Right angle, theta is equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle, theta lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. Straight angle, theta equal to exactly 180 degree. Reflex angle, theta lies between 180 to 360 degree. Types of triangle. Types of triangle according to the length of sides. Types of triangle according to length of the sides. Number 1, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal in length. All sides are equal in length, that is this is equilateral triangle. Suppose A B C, AB distance, AB length is equal to BC length is equal to AC length, equilateral triangle, lengths are equal. Number two, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, if any two sides of a triangle are equal in length is called isosceles triangle. In figure, suppose this is A and this is B and this is C. Suppose any two sides, say AB is equal to AC, then it is called isosceles triangle. Third, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, if length of all sides of a triangle are unequal is called scalene triangle. The figure is, suppose this is A B C. AB distance, side AB not equal to side BC, not equal to side AC. Scalene triangle. Now types of triangle according to angle. Types of triangle according to angle. Number one, acute angle triangle. A triangle whose all angles or each angles less than 90 degree. This type of triangle less than 90 degree. This type of triangle, this is less than 90 degree, this is less than 90 degree, this is less than 90 degree. This type of triangle is called acute angle triangle. Number two, obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse angle triangle? If at any one angle of the triangle is greater than 90, then it is called obtuse angle triangle. If any one of the angle of the triangle is greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Figure is This is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. So the triangle is called obtuse geometrical. Third, right angle triangle. Third, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. If an angle of a triangle is 90 degree, then it is called right angle triangle. The figure is like this. This is right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. The triangle is called right angle triangle. What do you mean by right angle triangle? If any one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is called right angle triangle. What do you mean by right angle isosceles? One angle 90 degree and two sides are equal. Right angle isosceles. Right angle isosceles. One angle 90 degree is 90 degree and two sides are equal in length. The figure is this is right angle, this is right angle, and sides are equal. This if two sides equal and one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is called right angle isosceles right angle triangle. Thank you.